Have you been searching around for a new gym bag, backpack style, or duffel bag, and you just haven't been able to find something of quality that's going to stand up to the lifestyle that you want to use it for? I'm going to be reviewing the King Kong Backpack 2 and show you the features. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you a way to get a discount that you're not going to find anywhere else. Let's do this. All right, let's cover the features of this bag so you know exactly what you're getting with this. For starters, let's talk about this pocket. It is the shoe pouch. What I love about this shoe pouch is it is on the exterior of the bag itself. Some of the bags, they have other backpacks on their website that you can check out as well, but some of them are on the interior of the bag or even in the duffel bags so that you insert the shoes inside. I like this better because it doesn't take up storage space on the outside. It's also easy access for different treats if you use it as a carry-on or a travel bag. So you can do that. It does have side zips, so it's an expandable pocket, as you can see there. And you can zip those up. It keeps it nice and tight. You can clip it. You're ready to roll. The next feature that I absolutely love is it has dual water bottle holders on each side. And I love the size of the water bottle holders because water bottles these days have gotten bigger and bigger because with fitness, staying hydrated is very important. And so I have my big 40-ounce hydro flask. It's metal, it's heavy. In my other old backpack, the water bottle pouch only came up about halfway. This thing fell out of it numerous times, denting up my nice water bottle, ticked me off. So this one is nice and deep. So you drop that in there and the elastic band at the top keeps it nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. I love that. There's one on each side. On this side, I've just been storing my sunglasses for my day job. And if you need to go on a hike where you need two big water bottles, you're set. All right, let's talk about other storage pouches. This top pouch right here is an external pouch. You can unzip there. Currently, it's got like, pen holders. It's got some other little pockets for little stuff, but I have my heart rate monitor and chest strap. I got my headphones in here, and you could just put any other knick-knack type stuff that you might need. Keys, that type of stuff you could store in there. For main compartment storage, you have this next zipper right here that gives you, just like any other backpack, you get top-down storage, so you can just start inserting things from the top. That's great, and it's easy to access. And you have an interior pouch on the inside of the lid there, which is a good size for other things like wallets or other stuff that you want to keep secure. One thing I really love about this bag though is besides the top-down storage, you also have the ability to lay it down flat. It has this other top zipper that zips all the way around, and it does this awesome clamshell style opening just like a piece of luggage. So if you typically use carry-on, you got it just like this, so it's easy to pack, easy to access. I currently have my jump ropes in here. I have my gym clothes and a sweatshirt, a hoodie, and then you have laptop pocket for a 15-inch laptop, as well as other pockets, mesh pockets down here to store anything that you need, toiletries, whatever, if you're using it for travel. That is a pretty awesome feature. All right, let's talk price. The King Kong Backpack 2 is gonna run you $159.95. It does have a 100-day return policy and a 25-year manufacturer defect warranty, which is awesome. I love it when companies stand behind their products. The good news is they have a discount code. It's $10 off. However, what if I told you that I could get you $20 off? $20 is better than 10, right? And with that, they do offer free shipping for anything over $100. So you're gonna get free shipping and $20 off with this method. So let's dive in and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is head down into the description of my video below, and that's where you're gonna find the link to get to the King Kong page. When you get here, they do have a current offer going for meal prep bags. Me and my wife each have a meal prep bag. I have the Junior King Kong duffel bag,
and the backpack. I love all of them. They're very durable bags. So once you get to the page, check out whatever bags. If you want the backpack 2, come down to backpack 2. Select the color that you desire. And once you find that one, add it to cart, go to the checkout page. From here, this is where you'd put in the $10 off code, but instead start scrolling up like you're going to close the page. That's when the $20 off offer comes up. Just put in your email address, reveal the code, and bam, you get your 20 bucks off.
This channel is all about jump rope fitness, where I teach you how to jump rope and get in shape so you can enjoy life. If you want to learn more about that, check out these videos I've linked right over here, and I'll see you inside.